Welcome guys, my name is Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you my KDP income report for the month of Feb 2020 by publishing low and no content books. But before going to details of that, consider subscribing to my channel because I love to put up such type of video every now and then. You can subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss any new video from me. So let's check out my income report for the month of Feb 2020. You can see here I am into the KDP reports. This is the new dashboard. You can see here 160 units sold between Feb 1 and Feb 29. Just uncheck the free ones. You can see here I don't sell any free ebooks, just these are the paperbacks. It is 160 units. So let's check out the royalties. Here are the royalties. This is 319.53 US dollars between Feb 1 and Feb 29. It was quite good month for me after the new year, after December sales. The things started a bit slow, but gradually the sales started picking up and I managed to cross the 300 mark. Let's see what happened the same month during the last year. But before going to details of last year, you can see here my top selling book is the low content books. Low is actually a low content book and it continues to bring in royalties more than other books. You can see here it has earned me $194.61. The second one is this is a low content book. It brought me $15.02, and the third is also low content book. It brought me $10. The fourth is also a no content, then a no content, another low content book. So the main book that is my best selling book. It continues to bring me royalties month after month. So now let's check out the earnings for the month of Feb 2019. Here during the month of Feb 2019, you can see here February 1 to February 28, I have sold 55 units. That is quite low because at that time I have very few books published, and at that time I haven't yet started publishing no content books. So let's check out the royalties for the month of Feb 2019. You can see here during Feb 2019 I have earned $74.29 from Amazon.com and $4.14 from Amazon UK, and then some $3.04 more. So cumulatively that were $85 or $84. So if I compare my royalties with the month of Feb 2020, then it accounts to 300%, more than 300% rise, or more than, you can say, 3 times more royalties have been earned in the month of Feb 2020. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss new videos from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.